You had your carpets clean and somehow when it dries, the spot came back. Why is that happening and what can you do? Very simple. We got a piece of carpet here. Assume that you spill a whole cup of coffee and somehow it seems like it disappeared. It didn't. It actually goes into the padding. It gets on the back of your carpet. Now I have two different kind of padding here because I want you to show you this. This kind of padding will absorb all the liquid. This one, it has a barrier and the coffee will stay here. Now when we're cleaning carpets, all we can do is clean the fibers, and when it dries, if you have liquid here, it will come up and then the stain will appear. That's why it comes back. It's called wicking. What can you do? Nothing. Hopefully with the company you go offers a month warranty the same way we do, that if we clean something for you, you get a courtesy call for a month and then you can call us and we come back free of charge to clean it.